Herman Motorsports. Herman Motorsports coming at you.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Herman Motorsports vlog. Today I want to take a couple minutes to talk to you guys about security in your garage. What I mean by that is if you guys are anything like me, your garage is your sanctuary, it's your safe place, it's the place that makes you who you are, and we care about our items that are in there and we really want to protect them. So now I have a full alarm system on my house that I use to protect my family, but when it comes to the garage, you're limited on what things you can do. Now, like a lot of other people, I do have a motion detector on my garage door, so I can tell immediately if somebody tries to jimmy the door open. And I do also have an alarm system that goes straight to the police if somebody does. So up until this point, any kind of traditional camera system that I would like to put in my garage has just really outweighed the cost for the benefit, in my opinion. But right now, we just found out there's a new product out there. It's a wonderful, affordable camera. I was able to pick mine up from the local Home Depot. It was only $25.99. And what I want to do is I want to share with you guys because this turned out to be the solution for me to work in my garage, and I'm hoping it will in yours too. Let's get into it. All right, now that we're over here at the workbench, let's take a look at what we got. We got the new cam. It's a 1080 HD Wi-Fi indoor camera. You can see it's got a built-in base with a swivel. Let's take a look at the side here. It does 1080 full HD, infrared night vision. It has a two-way audio. It's got 8x digital zoom, motion and sound detection. And here's the best part about it, guys. Zoom in so you can see a little bit better there. It comes with a 14-day rolling cloud service for free. Now, a lot of the other companies out there will make you pay for that. If you have a Ring doorbell on your house, you have to pay a yearly fee to be able to use their service. That's the wonderful thing about it. They give you this 14-day cloud service for free, and every 14 days it just dumps the old stuff and keeps recording the new. So let's jump into it, guys. Let's unbox this camera, and let's find out a little bit more about it, shall we? All right, now that we have it unboxed, here's a couple of things that come in there. To my left on the bottom, you can see there's a metal round disc plate. The reason that that is there is because the bottom of the camera is actually magnetic. So if you wanted to mount it to a wall kind of at a crazy angle, you could screw that into the wall. That's why it has a hole cut through it, and then mount your camera accordingly. You have the power brick off to the left-hand side, as well as a cable on the right. You have a sticky pad for the bottom, so if you want to stick it to the wall, you can. And of course, you do have the camera and the instructions. I think it's really cool that the camera's magnetic on the bottom, because what I like to do is things like this. Take the camera, stick it anywhere you please. Alright guys, so now that we've downloaded and installed the app, as well as went through the approximate 5-minute setup procedure for your camera, each one is going to have to be done. I would have walked you through the steps, but there's some confidential stuff in regards to you have to set up a password, put in your email address, as well as each camera has its own code. So didn't want to show that on camera, but now that it's been set up, it takes about 5 minutes to set it up, and you can see we already have a preview of the garage. So let's go ahead and click here, and let's pull it up. And there you go. Now, one of the cool things about this as well is you can actually turn it to the side, and it's going to give you a much bigger display. So now that we've had that pulled up, you can see me a little bit off camera here. Let's turn the camera. And there we are. Not too bad of an install, right guys? Well, that's going to do it for this one, guys. Nice and easy install. Awesome product. Really happy I chose it. Like I said, it took me a while to find a product that I'd be happy with in my garage, and I know now that I finally did. So take a look at the link in our bio to the actual website for the camera. You can purchase one, the same exact one I have, for $19.99, which is even cheaper than most places sell it for. You go directly to the manufacturer. Check out all their other cameras that they offer. They offer tons of different cameras for every need you may have. They also have motion sensors, window sensors. So once again, guys, thanks so much for being here. Guys, don't forget, follow us at the link down below on our new Instagram, Herman Motorsports. I hope this video helped you out. I hope you choose one for your garage. Either way, have a good time, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. All right, guys, that's going to be another one from Herman Motorsports. Thank you for being here today, and we'll see you in the next video.